good morning Ketu. See you again in science. This week we are still learn about farm animals. Yes, we will learn about the body part of a cow. Take a look. In this worksheet, Miss April have the picture of cow and the empty column here. Okay, and Miss have a word in here. Miss have so many words in here. You can try to read each word. Okay, or you can ask to your mom to help to read each word. Okay, and K2, all you have to do is to name each their body part. Yeah, their body part, use the word below. Okay, you choose the word, you try to read the word by one by one, and then write it on the correct column according to the sign. Okay, K2, it's easy, right? And after that you can color the cow. Okay, it's easy, right? You can do this at home. Okay, and beside this worksheet, Miss April still have one worksheet about farm animals. Okay, take a look. Miss have so many picture of the farm animal in here. Okay, I guess you have to know these animals, right? Okay, and on the left, Miss have a word, the name of the animals, each animal in here. Okay, and you can try to read the word one by one first, and then after that you can find the correct animal on the left. For the example, this cow. Where is cow? Where is cow? Cow is this cow. So you match to the correct picture. Okay, like that. Okay, Ketu, it's easy, right? You must to finish this worksheet by yourself. Okay, try to finish this by yourself at home, and don't forget to collect to Miss April on next week. Okay, have a good study.